Okay, today I'm here, everyone. Last night I back with the car broken, so really so have the feeling so tired. Yes. Okay, so today is I'm here at Digital University of Cambodia, right? Okay. So at the first I would like to respect to teacher and good morning, everyone. And how are you today? Yes, today is I feeling so tired and hard. Yes, but I go to work outside. I have the problem several. Yes, okay. So today is I have the topic one that I would like to show, and I would like to explain sharing to other that understand right now. Okay, so let's begin with me. And then this is topic today. Talk about the upbringing. You know, everyone upbringings we just to look to other outside before the close and closing. Yes, so it is very important before to men women. Yes, when we have the complete and clean clothes variety, we always to look at the other so beautiful and pretty girl, handsome man. Okay, and it is very important at the school work. When we have the interview job, we can show about the self-confidence and complete uh, get dressed so handsome and beautiful. Yes, it can show about the respectful and show about the interesting and include everyone can show about the attitude, you know. And so right now I would like to explain to, and for example, a student they always to need clean clothes and clean myself and get the beautiful body and complete hairstyle and shirt pant. Yes, we always to need variety. Okay, when we have a presentation at school, presentation to share information to other that one understand. Okay, so in conclusion about the appearance, everyone can show about the non-verbal communication. We always to see and around many people like to show of the non-verbal communication, right? Okay, so appearance when we have the complete it, we always to have the confidence and get the job better and successful in life and include get the job to score and high in daily life. So everyone so complete and get ready for clean and beautiful of a day. So thank you for watching my video. This video to come at end. Yes, and today is I want to complete get ready for homework that teacher provide our group today. Okay, because today is I feeling okay, so today is I free time of a day, right? Goodbye.